Testimonial videos are the single most effective way in which you can turn viewers into customers or show that you have real fans. The tricky part is most people who are tasked with creating these videos don't have any tech know-how on how to do it well. And by well, I mean high quality audio and video captured, well produced, easy to publish on socials with all the correct dimensions. The good news is there is a solution. And if you're one of my long-standing subscribers and you've been creating content for radio, this is one of the best ways you can capture video-friendly listener testimonials for your social media. The tool you need is Riverside. I've got it loaded right here on the screen in front of me, and the team has been kind enough to create a coupon code for you to use and try Riverside with 20% off any plan. Simply use the code MRC for this, and I'll link it up down below. Let's get started with step number 1, which is recording your testimonial. Very first thing you need is an easy way to invite customers in. I'll click new here in my projects window inside Riverside, and I can go ahead and choose what I want to do. I'm going to choose to record this testimonial. Now, this is where Riverside really stands out. The content is recorded locally, which means that you get the highest possible quality captured at source. Zoom or Google Meet can't do that. This alone is worth its weight in gold. You'll want to make sure you ask your customer to use their phone and computer. And look at this, I've got a Riverside studio, and you can use your camera and your audio. So you'll see here it's detected my Rodecaster and my Camlink 4K for the camera. I'll say in my case, I am using headphones and join my studio. Now, this is the coolest thing when you want to bring your customer in here, you can actually create a recording link. In fact, it's done automatically for you right here, a guest link. Of course, you want them to be a guest, not in the audience. You copy the link, you ping it to them on email or via messaging, and then they can join instantly. They don't even need to be a member of Riverside to use this. Now, the best thing is if we don't want to record or we already recorded something with a customer, we can upload that video file and edit it inside Riverside. So here's a nice on-the-spot testimonial I got. There are 2 speakers, so we'll select 2 speakers right here in the how many speakers option. I'll click upload and let this process using Riverside's magic. Now, it really comes into its own when we use the AI tools to improve this testimonial. Now, before we deep dive into the editing, I've got a quick favor to ask. I have a giant goal to get to 500,000 subscribers this year, and I told my wife and kids that I'll take them for a nice holiday once that's done and not stop working until it actually happens. So please help me get out of this studio as much as I love it and subscribe now. And I promise I'll bring you great videos in your feed weekly, helping you to level up your productions. The sub button is down below. Thanks. All right, everything's uploaded, so now we get to the editing part, which is really fun. Here we are in the editor. Now, notice this, we've got speaker 0 and speaker 1. This is fantastic. I can actually rename these speakers, so I can say Mike Russell, and then I can actually click done there. And when I've done that, I can name my second speaker. Let's rename, and we'll give this the exact correct name. So then all the speakers have names. And of course, we can assign different really nice colors to our speakers like so we can have everything customized to our liking. And look at this, we can see Mike's track down here. We can see Akeem's track in orange, which is really cool. And then the video track is there. So let's get started with some magic audio. Let's listen to a little bit of this testimonial.
Adobe Audition, this is the guy, right? This is the guy.
Okay, so that's a brilliant testimonial. He remembers my videos from years back, which is super cool. But there's a lot of background noise going on there. It's a busy convention center, and I want to clean it up so I can publish it on my website or wherever, social media. So I'll go over here to the AI tools, click into them. And first of all, we're going to add magic audio. Now you'll see when I apply, they apply to both tracks, just my track and also Akeem's track. And then we can dial in the level of magic audio to make it sound exactly right. Okay, and magic audio is applied. Let's just listen to how Akeem sounds now with that added.
Adobe Audition, this is the guy, right? This is the guy.
That's amazing. I love his energy, by the way. If I want, I can dial this down a little bit. Let's listen to a little bit later on.
He's the OG, and if you need any tips on anything to do with audio, this is your guy.
Okay, that's pretty nice. And you can hear the background noise coming back in. So I might ramp that back up to 78% and play again.
He's the OG, and if you need any tips on anything to do with audio.
And then if I pull that all the way down to 8%, you'll hear the difference again.
He's the OG, and if you need any...
Big difference there. Lots of background noise. So let's let's pump him right up. Let's listen to my own audio.
Thank you so much. This is Akeem.
And you can hear that's a little bit too robotic, so I'll dial myself down to 66%. We'll play back.
Thank you so much. This is Akeem.
And now we've got a little bit of background noise, but not too much. Now we've also got text-based editing. So I said at the start,
Let me give you a microphone.
so I'm laughing, and really it's not something I want in my testimonial. So text-based editing allows me to select the piece of text, hit the delete key, and boom, it's done. We can zoom on the timeline and see it's zoomed at exactly the right point. And we'll play it back.
Adobe Audition, this is the guy, right?
That is fantastic. Straight in at the start of the testimonial, everything is good. So as you can see, so far we used Magic Audio to clean that testimonial up, make it sound good. A bit of text-based editing to get rid of the preamble that we didn't need for the testimonial. When we're happy that this is fully uploaded and edited using Riverside's AI tools and text-based editing. Now, another cool thing is we can repurpose this for different social networks, such as LinkedIn or Shorts. So if I wanted, I can click 1 by 1 and immediately it makes it a 1 by 1 square video that I can post to somewhere like LinkedIn. So it's as easy as that to get exactly the kind of testimonial you want. So with all that done and edited, step 3 is simply publishing, and Riverside has made it really easy with baked-in integrations for most platforms. So you can record, edit, and publish in one place, which means that it might have been challenging before, but all of a sudden, creating testimonial videos super easy. I click the share button and look at all these social networks you can publish to with simply one click. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do ask me any questions in the comments down below. I'm hanging out there and I'll help you as much as I can. And YouTube is showing a video on your screen now you should watch next. Thanks.